In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stripe Webhook Error in Make.com. So for that, let's proceed to adding here a module for the actual webhook. Click on the plus icon and search in here for webhook. Choose right here this and choose webhook response. So for this, input right here the status must be higher than or equal to 100. Input right here the body, but you can also input the advanced settings in order to input a particular items for custom headers and the likes. So input right here the actual heading for it. As you can see, it will search for items already available on your scenario. So let's proceed to adding here as well as Stripe. So adding here another module, click onto this part and searching here for Stripe. Once you have chosen Stripe, choose right here the kind of module you want for this, and it will be added. Make sure to also create the connection. Once you have done that, head over to your webhook, choose in here your body, and choose right here the actual Stripe option. Input right here the amount received or anything that you want added and click on save, and after that it should be able to fix the Stripe webhook option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.